Go.
Extreme hoovering, take one. Go, breathe in. Breathe in, extreme hoovering. No. Main stuntman, you ain't got a helmet on, you can't do it. You're not qualified. Give me a helmet. Cover the ball patch. Extreme hoovering. Go. No, you're moving it. Just suck it. You need to sit around the floor. Good job you got a crash helmet on, mate. It could be dangerous. Hey, external. Just moving there. Good. Let's go. And then going on again. Helmet. Good. 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 Right again. Good. Good. Yeah. So. Good. First of all, it has to wear a helmet. He's already done it all now. As you can see, it could be dangerous. He has feeding some walls all around, so he's just done it now. Looks like he's already done it. The last tricky part now. If he just does that, he's got to turn it off now. He's coming in. No, he's still got some more. He's still got some more. He's going for it now. Pitch off now. Helmet on, as you can still see. Ah, shit! It's alright, thank you. Oh, I can feel it. Oh, they're both still soft. Oh. How did I get that? Saxon Cups 1.